Deck surface paint bubbling because of trapped moisture is a total pain, but you can totally avoid it if you let your wood dry out properly before slapping on any paint. So, first off, after power washing your deck, just chill and let the wood dry for at least 72 hours if you can. Moisture hiding under paint is what causes all that bubbling and peeling, so don't rush it. If it's been raining or super humid, give it even more time to dry out. When you're ready to paint, pick a paint that's made especially for decks or outdoor wood. It'll hold up better against weather and moisture. Before you paint, check the wood's dryness by pressing your hand on it or using a moisture meter if you have one around. Also, don't forget to sand down any rough spots or old peeling paint so the new paint sticks properly. Apply thin coats instead of one thick one. That helps the paint dry evenly and avoids trapping moisture. And finally, try to paint when the weather forecast says it's going to be dry for a few days straight, so your hard work doesn't get ruined. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck painting is not waiting long enough for the wood to dry, which leads to paint bubbling and peeling fast. Another common issue is using regular indoor paint instead of deck or exterior paint, causing poor durability against moisture and sun damage. The third big mistake is slapping on thick coats of paint that don't dry properly and trap moisture underneath, leading to bubbling. To fix these, always wait at least 3 days after cleaning before painting. Choose a quality deck-specific paint or stain designed to resist moisture, and apply multiple thin layers instead of one thick one for better drying and adhesion. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors that actually know what they're doing with decks and other home projects. Contractors also benefit because the site connects them with people looking for reliable pros, making it easier to get steady work without the hassle.